Every Igbo man, woman, boy, girl, father, mother in China should run away from very dark black man or very dark man. For your own good, that guy doesn't mean anything for anything good for us. You know, some of you will not understand. Some of our people, Igbo people, are gullible. Little thing they feel that he's fighting for the rights of people. My brother, that man is just a content creator, and look, he looks like he's sponsored by some beings to deal with Igbo people. How often does he talk about people from Edo? People from Edo, why don't he go to Italy and find them there and see what their people are doing? Go to Italy and see their girls, what they are doing. He left all the places, all the whole tribes in Nigeria. It's always Igbo. When someone wants to shine, he goes for Igbo. When he wants to low, he want to make people like government gets please the government. You attack Igbo. Everything Igbo. This guy is from Benin. What good does the Benin person have for the Igbo person? Sometimes I want you guys people to be reasoning. I want to be reasoning with logical, not just emotional. This is not the issue of being emotional. This young man hardly criticized people from his place. This is what we are trying to say. I'm trying to say. He hardly criticized people from his place. How many people from the north has he condemned? You will claim he's a freedom fighter. How many politicians has he called direct? Things are happening. Things are happening in Nigeria. Killings, kidnappings. How many times has he talked about those things? Instead, he mentioned green. This person green, and that person, the other person is green. And when we talk, people say, keep quiet. You don't understand. He's fighting for what has he fought? Because of Mohbad matter. People feel what happened at the end of Mohbad. Everything died. Me and you are here watching. Did anybody enter and go to prison because of that matter? Everything just died. Like that was the end. So what did he fight? The whole Mohbad matter that made him famous. What happened at the end? What justice did they get at the end? What was the justice gotten? Nothing. When I tell you these guys are just out of he's more like a content creator and he's being maybe sponsored to tarnish the image of the Igbo people. Of all places, he went to China, but Italy, the Igbo people that are in Italy, he refused to go there, and he says he's fighting for freedom. He wants to check those who are doing what he I can't even remember the reason for him going going to China again. It's always Igbos. It's always Igbos. After giving Igbos £20, they are still restless. Why so? And yet we claim we are in one country. We are the same country. When the Igbos wake up in the morning now and decide to say, oh, they are tired of the country, they want to leave, people begin to criticize them. These are the reasons. Injustice everywhere. Remember that Martin Luther stated that injustice to anyone is a threat to justice to everyone. So be guided.